Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. This website is entirely responsive and you can see the very perfectly professional look to your website. Your personal portfolio can be very helpful for you in your recruitment section whenever you're applying for a job. So right now we are in the home section. You can see the nav bar. You can see the hover effect on the nav elements, the color change effect, and you can see the infinite change in text. You can see how it's going back and front and revealing that text. Then we have the hover effect on the buttons. You can see. Then hover effect on the our social media icons. Then you can see the smooth transition of revealing of elements, and you can see an infinitely moving. This is done by using keyframes in the CSS. You can see the hover effect, how neatly they have all been aligned, and you can see the hover effect on the education and experience section, and you can see how neatly we have created the lines, and the skill section, the progress bar section. You can see the hover effect, and you can see how neatly we have given the bar effect, giving a very professional look to your website. Then you can see the contact me form, and you can use submit button. Right, this button is for moving back to the starting page. You can see we have also used JavaScript here, and we can go back. This website is entirely responsive. That is, it is also available in mobile version, tab version also. Now let me show you the mobile version. So this is the mobile version. You can see how neatly they have all been aligned exactly at the center, perfectly aligned. And this website is especially for the students who are looking for the resume projects, right? You need very important projects in your resume, and it will give a very professional look to your resume, and it will give a very good impression to your recruiters. Very job friendly. You can see the menu bar, and the animation effect, the transition effect is also very cool, and you can see that it is not taking very much of time or delayed responses. It is very fast, and this website is entirely beginner friendly. That is, even you can make it on by yourself. The source code is available in the description, and definitely try to build this project. And don't, if you have any doubts, any queries about the project, please do visit uh, the channel back again, and comment your errors that you are facing or any issues regarding the source code that I have provided, and or if you need any help in uh, getting new tutorials, or you want me to make any more information that you want you to let me know about web development, front-end development, and definitely comment, and the source code is available in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. The full tutorials are also available on the website. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.